Let's get fit. Have some fun.
Hey, this is first grade lesson.
Get ready to exercise and count. Stretch your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch your legs. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Pump each arm up. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 2 arm circles. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Shoulder shrugs. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Pump elbows back. 51, 52, 53, 54. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 2 windmills. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Walk in place. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Now jog in place. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Climb up high. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, count to 100 every day. Keep your mind and body in shape. Let's get fit, have some fun. Count to 100. 5 words.
Hey, excuse me. No. Now there's our mind time.
Can we do another one? Yeah, see like this one.
Victory bears, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all the fitness of one's place about in mind. So I picked another pair and made a boat. 52 back perfectly even. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I had to keep picking bears, the hunger I had to feed. So I picked another 10, and that led to 1, 2, 4, 100.
Hey, Danny and Allie, that's not what we're doing.
10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10.
Boy and Louise, it is not your chit-chat time.
10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. I rolled my mind, 1 on 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then a little while. Another mile made 1 group of 10. Little voice inside my head said, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And I knew I had so many miles inside me. In my trip was coming up ahead. I rode 10 more miles and reached 100. 10 lines made 10. 10 groups of 10, 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. Rang out, needed heart, started playing with mine. Base 10 blocks stacked up 9. Then 1 more make 10. Then 10 tens equal 100. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700,
Roy, turn around.
900.
Okay, you're not going to be allowed to face that way because it's messing around.
Space,
Okay?
I have to write one group in the thousands place. Then I played the air bass. 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. Groups of 1,000 equal 10.
Hey, please stop. Please stop.
10,
No, excuse me,
10,000 make 100,000. And 10 of those make 1 million. And that has no end.
One more.
Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10.
This one's new.
10 is a group of 10 and 0 extra ones. 11 is a group of 10 and 1 extra 1. 12 is a group of 10 and 2 extra ones. 13 is a group of 10 and 3 extra ones. 14 is a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. 15 is a group of 10 and 5 extra ones. 16 is a group of 10 and 6 extra ones. 17 is a group of 10 and 7 extra ones. 18 is a group of 10 and 8 extra ones. 19 is a group of 10 and 9 extra ones. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. 10 is a group of 10 and 0 extra ones. 11 is a group of 10 and 1 extra 1. 12 is a group of 10 and 2 extra ones. 13 is a group of 10 and 3 extra ones. 14 is a group of 10 and 4 extra ones.
Okay, Jimmy.
15 is a group of 10 and 5 extra ones. 16 is a group of 10 and 6 extra ones. 17 is a group of 10 and 7 extra ones. 18 is a group of 10 and 8 extra ones. 19 is a group of 10 and 9 extra ones. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of.
All right, second graders, I'm going to have you guys get onto Zern during this time. Get out your computers, get onto Zern. First graders, you need to put your computers away. First graders, put your computers away.
Inside over there.
Danny, you're a first grader, put it away.
When the only thing that matters is being together, why not bring the holidays to a remote vacation? Somewhere with more space to be
Please
even
be
closer.
very careful. Number bonds.
Number bonds from 11 to 19. Number bonds, sing and learn with me. How the parts add up to the whole.
Okay, don't focus on dancing, put your bottoms in your seat. Good,
Lift one
Jimmy.
knee up for the first
Thank you.
part. Lift the other knee up for the second part. Walk in place for the hold. Let's learn and move. 10 and 1
10
make
and
11.
1 make 11.
10 and 2 make 12. 10 and 3 make 13. 10 and 4 make 14.
Max.
10 and 5 make 15. 10 and 6 make 16. 10 and 7 make 17. 10 and 8 make 18. 10 and 9 make 19. Number bones from 11 to 19. Number bones, sing a word with me. How the parts add up to the whole. Number bones, ready, set, let's go. 10 and 1 make 11. 10 and 2 make 12.
Cambridge, put that mask back on. Okay, put it back on, please. Thank you. Put the other one away. Quit playing.
10 and 4
You need
make
to have your eyes up here. Please
14.
don't be looking at Cambridge.
10
Okay?
and 5
Cambridge is
make
not the friend of the
15.
promise. She's not going to teach you anything.
10
Right?
and 6
Right?
make
Let's say we're something
16.
with college, you're going to teach her.
10 and 7 make 17. 10 and 8 make
Okay,
18.
is that from Danny?
10 and 9 make 19.
Now you say the whole.
10 and 1 make 10 and 2 make
12. I have your
10
Cambridge.
and 3 make
13.
10 and
4
4 make
14.
10 and 5 make
15.
10 and 6 make
What, Valerie?
10 and 7 make
Can you use the restroom? Yeah, go quick.
10 and 8 make
What's your Haiti?
10 and 9 make
What's your Haiti?
number bones from 11 to 19.
Okay, I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
Number bones, sing a word with me. How the
You have your
parts
charger with you?
add up to the whole. Number bones, you did it, now you know. The parts add up to the whole. Let's be friends. Place your mouse on my guitar and click the red subscribe button.
All right. We
you
love
click
Jack
this
Hartman,
icon.
and we also love Number Rock. We lit in the Harry Kindergarten songs that are all great educational songs that we love to use. I gotta give them credit so they don't think I'm trying to steal their work, because I'm absolutely not. They are brilliant. I don't know anything.
We need that.
All right. I need first graders to actually please get out your whiteboards, your markers, and your number lines. Get out your number lines. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Cambridge, you too. Put away that eraser in your desk. Do not put it on the floor. It doesn't belong on the floor. Put it in your desk. Okay, quickly, quickly. Danny, where's your number line? It's in your desk. Get it out. Your number line. Do those look like they have numbers all over them, and are they in a line? No.
Who made this?
Honey, what did I ask you to get out, Jimmy? Your number line. Look what Miranda has. It looks like that. Miranda, hold up your number line. Elizabeth has it, yeah, and you also want your whiteboard eraser, yep. You need your whiteboard marker, your whiteboard eraser, and your number line. Yep, that's the number line. Very good. Show it to Cambry so Cambry sees what she's looking for. Okay. Jimmy, I don't know why you keep putting that in and out of your desk. Honey, that's a ruler. That's not what I asked you to look for. Look at what Elizabeth has. That's what you're looking for, your number line. It's in your desk. I know, I put it there myself. Well, or Mrs. Jack put it there herself. Okay. Okay, once again, these are tools, not toys. Our number lines are tools. They are not toys. Ready, Valerie, step back for a second. Step back, go. Okay, thank you, Valerie. All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. You have one, Jimmy. If you junked up your desk so much already you can't find it, that makes me very sad because I gave everybody one. We put them in their desk. Okay, look at that, you found it. Okay, these are your number lines. These are your number lines. First graders, you guys are going to practice counting on our number line path in order to find our missing addend. Okay, in order to find our unknown part, our missing addend. Okay, Bree, what are you doing now? You should already have everything. Danny, why don't you have everything else I asked you for? You need your whiteboard, your marker, and your number line. Okay, all right. Those of you at home, please following along. You need your whiteboards, your markers, and your number line, just like everybody here, okay? Or a piece of paper and a pencil if you can't. Cambry, I'm talking to the computer because I'm recording this lesson for the kids who missed. We have 3 first graders out right now. All right. And you guys can always join on the computer if you miss a class. Come on to the same link that you were supposed to come for online school. All right. They're not toys, so I need them quiet. You guys listen very carefully so we can get going, or we're going to run out of time and you won't have any time to do it. Okay, Marcus, my friend Marcus, or should we say Miranda instead because they both start with M. Miranda, don't put that in your mouth, had 9 strawberries. 6 of them are small, the rest are big. How many strawberries are big? So I'm going to do a number bond. How many strawberries did Miranda have all together? Oh, I'm waiting for some hands. I don't like shouting. It's not my favorite thing. It's not my favorite. Max? 9. Very good. We had 9 all together, so that would go in the hole. The hole. And then we said 6 of them are small, right? So that goes in one of the parts. 6 of them are small. Okay, so right now, we want to know how many are big. So there's 2 ways we could do this. We could do an addition problem. 6 plus what equals 9? Or you can say 9 minus 6 equals what? Okay, and your answer is going to be the same for both of them. Your answer will be the same for both of them. So we've got our parts and we've got our whole. Okay, we've got our parts and we've got our whole. All right, I'm trying to make sure the people at home can still see this. Okay, very good. So if we're using our number lines, this is how we're going to solve the problem. All right, this is our missing parts, right? 6 plus 1 equals 9, or 9 minus 6 equals 1. Those are the missing parts, okay? When we are adding, our numbers go this way on the number line, right? Our numbers are getting bigger. When we are subtracting, Cambry, what are you doing? Our numbers go that way because they're smaller. Okay, you need to start being responsible. We can't be messing around every 2 seconds. I don't know what to tell you. Every 2 seconds you're losing something, and it's wasting a lot of our class time, and I don't like it. Okay? I don't like it. All right. So if we do 6 plus blank equals 9, we would start at 6, and we would see how many hops it takes us to get to 9. So Jimmy, you just had your number line. Where is it now? Oh, it's on the floor. Pick it up. Pick it up. Thank you. Put your finger on 6, please. Put your finger in 6, and we're going to count how many hops it takes us to get to 9. Okay? 1, 2, 3. 3 hops it took us to get to 9. Now, Excuse me, quiet fox. Here's my friend the quiet fox. He's saying, please be quiet so other people can think. Now, if we were subtracting, Cambry, we're not playing. If we're subtracting, our number gets smaller. Okay, so we just said, well, if we have 6 and we hop 3, it gets to 9. Let's double check. It says 9 minus 6. So now we know how many hops we have to make. We'd start on the 9, and we'd make 6 hops towards the smaller side to see how many what we land on. Jimmy, your number line needs to be facing you. Otherwise, it doesn't work. There you go. Okay, so look, I hop backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we landed on the 3. If you did that correctly with us, we landed on the 3. Very good. Because we should have the same answer. 9 minus 6 equals 3, and 6 plus 3 equals 9. So we found our missing part. And then, excuse me, because we're doing a word problem, especially we need to use words, we would say, well, I guess I changed it to a girl, huh? So it's not he, it's she has 3 big ones. My timer's a little wonky. That's okay. All right, very good, very good. We don't have time for you guys to write it all right now. Just erase your boards. Erase your boards. That's why you got to do it with me. Cambry, you need to be responsible. Look around, see if you can find that marker. This is ridiculous. Yep, erase the whole thing. Okay, very good. All right, put a bubble in your mouth, in your mouth. Put a bubble in your mouth, in your mouth. With a bubble in your mouth. I should know you shout with a bubble in your mouth, in your mouth. Okay, we're going to keep going. Okay, 9 minus 8 equals blank, right? 9 minus 8. We're also going to be filling out a number bond with this. Okay, the biggest number is actually our total. So the bigger number in this subtraction sentence is the 9. So it goes in the big one that's by itself, and then the parts go in the little one. Right now we only have one part, 8. So 9 minus 8 equals our mystery number. Hold on, I don't want to know it yet. If you know it, that's wonderful. Keep that in your brain. Keep that in your brain if you know the answer already. All right. I want you guys to think about how you could solve this. How are we going to solve this problem? Okay, Danny, I would have loved that even more had you raised your hand. But Danny said we need to use our number line to jump to other numbers. Can we be a little bit more specific? A little bit more specific? Give me a little bit more detail on that. Jimmy, you don't even have everything I wrote on the board, so I don't know why you kept your marker. You need to write everything I have on the board, not just whatever you want. You just wrote the number bond, the blanket number bond. You need to write the whole problem. Come on, Jimmy. Miranda, how are we going to solve this? Well, yeah, we're going to use our brains, but how? How? As Danny said, we're going to use the number line. We're going to jump backwards. Very good. And it tells us how many spots to jump backwards. It tells us 8. So we're going to do that together. So everybody, please get your number lines. Please get your number lines. We're counting backwards, so our number is getting smaller. So they need to be facing you, not me, right? Okay, start at the 9. Jimmy, sit up in your seat, please. You still did not actually write everything I told you to write on your board, but just sit up, get your number line, do this with us. Start at the 9, and we're hopping backwards 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what did I land on? No, we landed on 1. We landed on the 1. All right, we hopped backwards 8. We landed on the 1. So I want to know very quickly my missing addition. So in order to make this addition, you go backwards. Okay? You would have said blank plus 8 equals 9. That would have been my addition. Okay? So on your guys' papers for today, on your sheet for today, when it says 4 minus 3 equals blank, and then it has an addition problem over here, you'd go backwards. You would say 4 minus 3 is blank, then 3 plus blank is 4. Right? You go blank plus 3 equals 4. If 4 minus 3 is blank, then blank plus 3 equals 4. Blank plus 3 equals 4. And then when you solve it here, you fill it in here. Okay? Danny, I hope you're paying attention, not just busy trying to roll your whiteboard marker up into your eraser. That's not going to help you. Okay? If you have two numbers, you can do this one. So you just go backwards. Blank plus 8 equals 9. Okay? And then the blank would still be the 1 also, because if I say 8 plus what equals 9, 8, and I would hop until I got to the 9, 1 hop, 9. Right? Okay, Jimmy, I am very disappointed. Everybody else is writing down their problem and following along. You have made the choice not to. You need to make a better choice. Jimmy, look at me. Do I need to be calling parents? Or are you going to make a better choice? Okay. That means you're not playing. You're doing the work with us. You're writing it down. Okay, let's do another one. Okay. Oh gosh, it's just deleting everything. Okay, that's not very helpful. That wasn't very helpful. All right, so let's do another one. We are going to do.
Do we need to erase it? Yes.
Yes. 7 minus 6 equals blank. And you need your number bond. Okay, remember that big number is going to be 7, right? When you're doing a subtraction problem, your biggest number is the number you start with. Cambry, your number bond has to be big enough you can write inside of it. Does that look big enough you can write inside of it? No, you got to make it a little bigger. So your big one goes in the big one. 6 is one of your parts. So in order to do the addition problem, I would say blank plus 6 equals 7. Blank plus 6 equals 7. Okay? Just think about this one is your subtraction problem backwards, and you're adding instead of subtracting, right? All right. Danny, it doesn't look like you did the whole thing. You just did part of it. You just decided to do part of it. Come on. Jimmy? All right. Hold on, Elizabeth. Hold on. 2 seconds. 2 seconds, girlfriend. All right. When we go to solve this problem, first graders, on our number lines, we're going to start at 7 for subtraction. We're going to start at 7, and we're going to count backwards towards the smaller end. We're going to make 6 hops, right? So do this along with me. Get on your number line. So Miss Cambry, grab your number line, sweetheart. Jimmy, grab your number line. Okay. You're going to start at the 7. We're going to go backwards 6 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We landed on the 1. We went backwards 6 hops. We landed on the 1. Now, if we were to do blank plus 6 equals 7, you start at the 6 and you count how many hops it takes you to get to the 7. So start at the 6, 1. Oh, did I get the same answer both ways? Yes. That let me know I did it correctly. If I get the same answer both ways, I know that I did it correctly. For addition, our number gets bigger. For subtraction, our number gets smaller. Sophia and Tuhedi, remember, it's not your playtime. It's not your chit-chat time. Second graders should be doing Zern. Okay? So first graders, on your problem set, you'll be finding your missing number, and then you'll be doing the matching addition problem. Remember, you use the same numbers. Cambry, you and Danny are going to have a problem if you cannot keep your eyes off of each other. I know you're both so cute and fun. You got to keep your eyes up here during the lesson. You can't just be staring at each other. We go backwards for the addition. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Right? 7 minus 6 equals 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. All right, to do that, on the back, you talk about if it's subtraction, right? If it's subtraction, I count back. If it's addition, you count on. Okay? All right, let's do one more together quickly, and then I'll move on to second grade lesson. Second grade lesson. Oh, and then if I were to fill in my number by the course, I'd have 617. Okay. Oh, you know what? I'm not going to. Silly me. My goodness. All right, we're going to do that. We're going to keep going. We're going to say 9 minus 2 equals blank. I've got my number bond. Right? Excuse me, if you're talking, you're not doing what you should be. My biggest number and my subtraction number bond is when I start with, right, that goes to my total. 2 is one of my parts. I need to find my addition sentence. I go backwards. Blank plus 2 equals 9. Blank plus 2 equals 9. So now I know there's 2 ways to solve this problem. I can do addition or I can do subtraction. Right? I can do addition or I can do subtraction. Thank you, those of you who kept up very quickly and did this with me. You weren't poking along. You were very quickly writing it down so that you can be a part of the action. Part of the action. Danny, you need to finish writing instead of just twirling your marker. Nice try. Come on. I got the problems right here. There's no excuse. You got those great glasses on. You write them down. Come on. 9 minus 2 equals blank. And blank plus 2 equals 9. Danny, what do you do? Come on, just write them, please. Beautiful, Max. That's perfect. That's exactly what I need. Put it down. Okay. For our subtraction problem, we count back. Right? Our numbers get smaller. For our addition problem, we count on. We count on. Okay, so for the subtraction problem, 9 minus 2, we're going to put our fingers on 9. Everybody, please put your finger on 9. And we're going to hop backwards 2. 1, 2. Very good. We landed on 7. If you landed on 7, you did it correct. Now, for blank plus 2 equals 9, we start at 2. Count how many hops it takes to get to 9. Start on 2. How many? When we count up, how many hops does it take us to get to 9? From 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I landed on 9, and it took me 7 hops to get there. Right? 7 plus 2 equals 9. 9 minus 2 equals 7. We got the same number, so we know we're correct. Right? Except for you only wrote half of the problems. I have 2 problems up here and a number bond, Danny. You need to write the whole thing. Okay? Good, Max. Good, Elizabeth. Good, Cambry. Looks like Ellie got hers written down there too. Good, Ellie. All right, very good. First graders, that's what you're going to be doing. on your sheet. So I need you guys to do your sheet. If you have any time left over, you're getting on to Lexia. Do not try to put those in your mouth. Okay, so you guys can wipe off your boards.
Put it back.
Wipe off your boards. Put them in your desks. You need your number lines for this. You need your number lines. Okay?
I'm gonna be
You need your number line. So if you put your number line away, you're not doing what you're instructed to do. If you have put your number line away, you're not doing what you were instructed to do. Hey, if you are shouting loudly and disrupting your neighbors, you're also not doing what you've been instructed to do. Okay. When you are done, you need to get onto Class Dojo, and you need to take a picture of your work. If you need a reminder on how to do that, we can get you on there, okay? I know some of my second graders. Okay, so that's what first graders are going to do.
Why do I